Placing the adapter ring on a bucket. Place the bucket on the floor. You're going to be on a chair, on a little stool, sitting in front of the bucket. You have the adapter ring. In the adapter ring here, the channel, you can see there's a special extra thick gasket, that's what ensures the seal over the bucket lip. Put the adapter ring over the bucket, then using the palms of your hands, pressing straight down you're sitting on the chair, pressing straight down, just give it a little pop. You can see here where it's over and it's not over yet. So we'll spin the bucket around, give it a little press down, spin it over, give it a little press down. You can see we're almost there. And that last one, give it a little pop, and we have the bucket with the adapter ring.